Hi friends! Do you always want to monetize on YouTube but you don't want to show your face? This is how you can monetize on YouTube without showing your face. For many of us have a lot of concerns about showing our face because maybe we still work for someone, maybe our job contract don't allow us, or it may be just because we're just introverted, shy, or have other reservations about showing our face, afraid of friends' judgment, for example. So here's how you can actually make money on YouTube, monetize the YouTube channel, and make videos without ever showing your face. So you might have seen some of these videos, relaxing music, 129 million views. So these are all videos that you can monetize on YouTube with all the ad revenue. And we all know that YouTube recommends videos to people based on two statistics, based on the watch time and retention rate. So people watching relaxing sleep music, they may be using it to sleep, using it for meditation or for spa. Whatever the reason is likely that they are going to use it for very long, and therefore YouTube will very likely recommend your video to other people that may benefit from it. And you might think that this is already oversaturated, but I can tell you it's not. Look at this. This just uploaded a year ago and he has 12 million views. Even if you don't want to interrupt your audience and just insert one ad at the beginning of the video, you have probably thousands. So let's just see how much these creators are earning. So I'll just take an example, soothing relaxation, and I'll see how much he's earning from Social Blade. Soothing relaxation. Let's see how much he's earning with 7.7 million subscribers. And you can see that there's a range of ad revenues here. So we just take the middle range, which is around 150K. Well, that's not bad. That's probably a couple of times of someone's annual salary. That's definitely not bad for someone who is not showing his face at all. Well, he does show his face, but most of the videos don't show his face. And if you are not a composer like him, you can also make all these videos for free. The first step is that we go to a stock video or photo website like Pexis. Another one is Pixabay. We can see that all these videos, some of them have like videos, or some of them just be stagnant slideshow of photos. So either of that you can choose. And the next step is to find a royalty-free music. Well, there's a lot of websites they can choose from. Epidemic Sound is one. Snap Muse is another one. All these music are free. That means that you can use all these videos for commercial use for free. And when you're done with compiling these two, you can just use a simple video editing software, or even for free online software like Canva can help you do the video editing job. And finally, we generate an interesting headline. For relaxing music, you can see what headlines are there. So all these headlines are generated for you. So you just need to combine all these videos, upload on YouTube, and insert these interesting headlines, and sit back and watch the ad revenue roll. Only allows you to monetize after you have reached 1,000 subscribers. So why do you want to monetize before you have reached immediately before you have reached 1,000 subscribers, right? So one way to do that is to use affiliate marketing. So depending on what niche you have chosen, all the videos, they have a description bar underneath. So just pause this ad. So with this description bar, you can insert affiliate links. So you have so much audience, a percentage of them will actually click on your link to sell, and you can sell your affiliate product. Of course, it has to be related to your video. For relaxing music, perhaps you can sell meditation courses, for example, essential oils, aroma diffuser, things like that. Insert them into your description box and watch affiliate income roll in. So hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you like more free content like this, please be sure to subscribe and turn off the notification bell for more. All the best for your side hustles. Thank you guys. Bye.